So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, pag-aaralan natin today ang fastest way to divide any number by 5. So first step is to divide the number sa 10 by moving the decimal by 1 place to the left. Then, multiply the answer to 2. For example, 326 divided by 5. Bali yung 326 magiging 32.6 dahil dinivide natin siya sa 10 at minove natin yung decimal by 1 place to the left. Then, yung 32.6, i-multiply lang natin sa 2. So, ang lalabas is 65.2. Okay, next example. 743 divided by 5. Bali, 743 magiging 74.3. Dahil dinivide natin siya sa 10 or minove natin yung decimal by 1 place to the left. Then, yung 74.3, i-multiply lang natin sa 2. So, ang lalabas is 148.6. Dali, diba? Okay, one more example. Okay, next example, 2,135 divided by 5. Bale, yung magiging number is 213.5 dahil dinivide natin siya sa 10 or minove natin yung decimal by 1 place to the left. Then, yung 213.5, i-multiply lang natin sa 2. So, ang lalabas is 427. Okay, next example. 4,786 divided by 5. Bale, yung number magiging 478.6 dahil dinivide natin siya sa 10 and minove natin yung decimal by 1 place to the left. Then, yung 478.6, i-multiply lang natin sa 2. And the answer will be 957.2. Ang dali, di ba? So, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!